Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC B1645, indicating a fault with the driver's door LF antenna circuit, is significant when troubleshooting the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This error typically arises when the body control module, BCM, detects an earth fault in the driver's door LF antenna line. The BCM monitors various systems in the vehicle, ensuring that electronic components communicate effectively. When it detects an anomaly in the wiring or antenna circuit, it stores the DTC. Understanding the implications of this error is crucial for resolving potential communication issues that could affect keyless entry functionality and the overall operation of the vehicle's electrical system. Proper identification of the affected components, which includes the body control module and the driver's door antenna located in the driver's door handle, is the first step to diagnosis. The driver's door LF antenna and body control module are key components involved in the DTC B1645 error. The driver's door LF antenna is primarily integrated with the driver's door handle, playing a crucial role in keyless entry functionalities and other electronic access systems. The body control module, BCM, manages signals received from various inputs, including those from the LF antenna. When the BCM detects a fault in the antenna circuit, it indicates that there's a short or an anomaly that prevents the proper functioning of the antenna. It is important to note that the BCM is located within the vehicle, often near the dashboard or passenger compartment, and interfaces with multiple systems. The proximity of these components means that physical damage or electrical shorts within the wiring can significantly impact their performance. Several factors can lead to DTC B1645 being triggered in the Honda Accord. A shorted LF antenna wire is a common issue, where wires may become damaged or cross-connected, resulting in erroneous signals to the BCM. In some cases, the fault may originate from a defective body control module itself, where internal circuitry fails to operate as needed. Lastly, accidental disconnections or cuts in the wiring harness, particularly near the driver's door, can lead to this DTC being stored. Ensuring that the wiring is intact, properly shielded, and not exposed to elements or mechanical stress is part of preventive maintenance and diagnosis. When DTC B1645 is active, drivers may experience various symptoms indicating a malfunction in the vehicle's electronics. One of the most notable symptoms is the failure of the keyless entry system, preventing access to the vehicle without the traditional key. This can be highly inconvenient and signal a broader issue within the vehicle's electrical systems. Additionally, erroneous alert messages may appear on the dashboard, confusing drivers and obscuring other potential faults. Other symptoms may include inconsistent operation of electrical functions within the driver's door, such as window controls or locking mechanisms, directly tied to the driver's door LF antenna function. These symptoms cumulatively represent underlying wiring or component issues that need to be addressed. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1645 is to perform a self-check using the HDS, which stands for Honda Diagnostics System. This preliminary check is vital as it allows the technician to verify that the BCM is functioning correctly and that no additional error codes are present that might complicate the diagnosis. By initiating the HDS, technicians can gather critical information regarding the status of various components and systems in the vehicle. If other diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, are present, they should be addressed in order of priority to streamline the repair process. The HDS also gives insight into the real-time data from the keyless access control unit, enabling engineers to identify discrepancies effectively. The next step involves a thorough inspection of the wiring harness related to the driver's door LF antenna circuit. Disconnect the body control module connector, 66P, and the driver's door LF antenna connector, 8P, to inspect for broken wires, chafing, or signs of corrosion. Technicians should perform a shorted wire inspection specifically for the EXT FR-DR Plus and EXT FR-DR- wires. To do this, the wire should read above 1 ohm when the ignition is turned off, indicating no shorted connections occur. This is critical for confirming that both the signaling wires are intact and transmitting as intended. If any abnormalities are noted during this inspection, repairs will focus on restoring the integrity of the wiring. Once the wiring has been verified, the next step is to inspect the body control module. Before conducting the module inspection, the driver's door LF antenna connector should remain disconnected. This allows testing of the BCM independent of potential outer influences. The technician will then perform a module internal circuit inspection to determine if the BCM is receiving the proper voltage within specified parameters. Since there may be scenarios where the vehicle is either on or in a temporary state, such as lock, a multimeter will be essential in recording accurate readings. If the BCM fails this inspection, replacement or further repairs of the BCM become necessary, as it is crucial for managing the functions of the LF antenna. If the body control module checks out fine, attention turns to the driver's door LF antenna itself. This step confirms whether the antenna is indeed the component causing the DTC B1645. If prior inspections indicated normal conditions for the wiring and BCM, it is logical to conclude that the antenna might be at fault. Testing the driver's door antenna involves checking its connectivity and ensuring its functioning as per specifications set by Honda. If the driver door LF antenna fails this inspection, it's an indication that replacement is necessary to restore proper functionality. Proper diagnosis of the antenna is key, as it directly affects the vehicle's ability to process keyless entry signals. After repairs have been performed, it's essential to conduct a final verification to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This involves testing all related vehicle functions, particularly the keyless entry and any components linked to the driver's door. After confirming that all operations are back to normal, the next step is to clear the diagnostic trouble codes using the HDS. Ensuring that no residual codes remain is important, as it verifies that the issue has been resolved comprehensively. A successful clear without the reoccurrence of DTC B1645 suggests that the repair was effective and the vehicle is back to optimal performance. It's crucial to monitor vehicle behavior for a few days post-repair to ensure no further issues arise. Performing regular preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the occurrence of DTC B1645 in Honda Accord vehicles. Regularly inspect the driver's door LF antenna and associated wiring for signs of wear, damage, or corrosion. A proactive approach will help catch issues before they result in failure. It is also beneficial to ensure that any modifications or repairs to the door area respect the original design and integrity of existing wiring. Keeping connectors clean and secure can aid in maintaining optimal performance of electrical components and systems. Maintaining knowledge of new maintenance practices can also protect against future malfunction, necessitating deeper troubleshooting efforts. In conclusion, DTC B1645 signals an important issue that affects the driver's door LF antenna circuit in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. Understanding the components involved, the driver's door LF antenna and body control module helps technicians effectively diagnose the root cause. by following a structured troubleshooting approach that includes HDS self-checks, circuit inspections, and component functionality verification. One can restore system integrity. Preventive maintenance is pivotal to avoiding future malfunctions, ensuring the wiring and antenna are consistently monitored. Through these processes, vehicle owners can enjoy the conveniences of keyless entry systems without facing sudden operational failures. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.